Boxycharm by Ipsy has failed miserably on this one. They sure did, because this Rhodial product is not full size, and it's supposed to be. Oh dear, how'd that happen? Well, because I'm feeling a little salty, I'm going to say someone over there is an idiot. Oh, well, that kind of sums things up in one word. Part of the reason we're in this mess is because they confused my points purchase with the full-size item that I picked for the April box. By dumb luck, the points item and the full-size picked item were the same. Yet they still muddled things up. I was going to say another word, but I don't want to get in trouble. Yeah, they muddled things up all right. They sent me the sample size that I picked with 600 points, but they didn't send me the full size that was part of what I paid for my April box. Ipsy, Boxycharm, you have failed miserably. Hopefully we get the full size. The bot that we talked to on the website yesterday said it would arrive in 5 to 7 days. Yeah, but the website also said that it's sold out. So I don't know if they keep some of these to the side for emergency situations like this, or what's going to happen. But I'm a little hot under the collar. Yeah, me too. Not what I expected, because this is 20 milliliters. It's I'm going to call it a deluxe sample size. But still, this is 20 milliliters. The full size that they were supposed to send me before they failed is 145 milliliters and has a retail of $49. Oh boy. Yeah. And I think another reason I'm a little salty and hot under the collar is this is by Rhodial, which is one of my favorite brands, which is why I picked it with my 600 points. And you get points by doing reviews on their website after you receive the box. They have a date when you can go in and review things on their website, and you earn points in 15-point increments for review. Yeah, so either someone owes me some extra points if I can't get the full size, or they owe me the full size item, or someone owes me something because this ain't full size. Oh boy, they failed. They failed. And this is the salicylic acid pore refining cleanser. And I do look forward to using it. It is one of my favorite brands. I'm just irked, perturbed, PO'd, and a few other things that we can't say. Another item that Anne picked. She has tried products from this brand before, Dallas and James, but they didn't have the watermelon scent. This one is supposed to be watermelon with cloudberry. This is a scrub. I have taken a sniff, and it does smell like watermelon. So at least I have that to be happy about. Watermelon Dream Saltwater Scrub with Cloudberry from Dallas & James Skincare Company. It looks a little funky in there, but we've had cold weather, hot weather, cold weather, so I think the product needs to sit at room temperature and let itself regroup. That product had a retail of $20. This next one has a retail of $28 and is also by one of my favorite ride or die brands, Dew of the Gods. This is a package of under eye masks or patches, whatever you want to call them. They come in a package of 10. I don't know if you can see all 10 of them in there, but there's 10. 10! Wow, 10! Yes, 10! So I'm excited by this one. This is Nitro Caffeine and Retinol Under Eye Pads. Tighten under eyes and erase dark circles. I look forward to trying these. Keep an eye on our short feed. That's where you will see a lot of product reviews. Next up are the two products that Boxycharm by Ipsy chooses for Anne based on her profile. This is from Ofra Cosmetics. It's a blush and highlighter set. I will say these are very nice looking, but boy, is this a cheap plastic packaging. I was kind of surprised and disappointed by that one. We also have to readily admit that I am drowning in product, so this might wind up as a gift for someone because I don't want to swatch it and then just have it sit here waiting or just not getting used. But I will say it is a nice looking snazzy product. So we're waffling on if we just keep it to eventually use it, but we have a lot of product. So this might wind up being a gift. And the other thing that has me a little miffed, this is kind of the Boxycharm Ipsy You Failed Me video. It was stated that the retail value for that was $35. But now on the website it's on sale for $12. Yes, things go on sale, I get that, yet the other item that they picked for me is by the brand Context. I've never heard of that brand. It's a lip balm in a nice pink. I'm going to probably figure this is going to have very little color, which is fine for a lip balm because I often sleep with a lip balm on, so I just as soon not have a ton of color rubbing all over the pillowcase. So this looks nice, and it looks like a decent size, and it has a stated value of $20. And the size on this, written in itty bitty little print, is 0.09 ounce. So what do you think of this box of mayhem? Do you try any of these? Do you want to try any of these? We do have a link for them if you want to give the box a try. And I gotta say, normally it's not this much of a chaotic mess. I think part of it was just dumb luck that the Points product turned out to also be the same as what one of my choice products was, except obviously in different sizes. But somewhere in there, someone fluffed up. Yeah, they fluffed up. So Originally, this box was supposed to have a overall retail of $152, which I think is great. The box is $32 a month. I believe there's a fee that gets added in on that. Shipping is free. We have a code if you want to try. Normally, things are not this bonkers. Now I'm not sure what this value really is, because the one product isn't full size and the other product's on sale for $12 when it was originally $35. So my value on this box has plummeted. Thanks for listening to me rant. That was a good rant and rave, and a well-deserved rant and rave in my opinion, because they fluffed up. That they did. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Stick around and find out what happens next in this crazy saga. Yeah. And normally it's not this much of a problem. To be exact, I don't think I've really had a problem with them in a while. But boy, this is a doozy. Yeah, and who'd have thought that the sample that I'd picked with points would then turn out to be what I picked as a choice item. I picked it as a choice and as a points item because they were both what stood out to me. I didn't want my points to expire. The other choices I didn't care for. Okay, we're done ranting. We need to go cool our jets, as they say. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Check out our channel. Come along for future adventures. And thanks for watching this. See you later.